Okay, what's up, you guys? Today was an interesting day. I've only made two plays today. Wasn't really. There was a lot going on, and there was a couple stocks that I really wanted to get in, and I missed a couple of them. I missed a couple of. Why did I just repeat myself? I missed a couple of them, like I missed KXIN. In this one, this was a morning pan. This is not a morning pan. This was a dip and rip. News in the morning. I forgot what the news was. It has a ramp up pre-market, sets a high. It sets a high right here. Dips a little bit in the open. This was an ideal. It wasn't 9:45 yet, but in my time it would be 8:45. Uh, it dipped, ripped, and it just went off. I probably would have risked right here at point 20. Probably got out like at point 260 or something like that. Right up into this consolidation. Same thing with BYSI. I think it was around 9:45. Yeah, it was past not 9:45. Same thing. I forgot the newses on all of these. I can't really remember. I'm pretty sure some interesting stuff. So that 250 level probably would have risked this right here since there's a lot of support at 25, 50 to 25. That's 50 cents. So you're trying to make $1.50 for that 3 to 1 risk reward. You would have made it. Uh, I haven't traded Nasdaqs in a long time. I remember I was trying to trade Nasdaqs, but then I started ending up focusing on morning panics, since that was a lot more easier for me to predict. Since Nasdaqs were a lot more harder for me, and it's harder to grow your account with the Nasdaq, especially if you're starting with like $1,000 lower stuff like that. So, my first trade of the day. I am recording this on 8/6/2021. These are my trades for 8/6/2021. So it's Friday. Not bad. All right. Today, why doesn't this show like the little cursor? Okay. LCOP. So today, this stock opened up around. Can't find it. 8:30. I'm gonna just do it over here. So 8:30 opened up. This actually had news this morning. I had a FDA approval. I forgot what it was. It was some sort of health to like help out mental health or something like that. So bought into this right here, and I was trying to actually I was trying to let it run. It went up to the 2.8s, and I was all like, wow, that's not bad. I got in at 0.0775, which that was around right around here. No. So it'll be like 0.0277. I wasn't really risking much. I said once it just drops a little bit, I'll get out. Once I start feeling like it's not gonna go back up and stuff. So saw this candle, got it out at 0.0275. Didn't really like it. Had a lot of sellers. At first, I had a lot of buyers. That's another reason why I got into this stock. Had a lot of buyers. The news wasn't bad. This is a former runner as well. As y'all can see here, this day was like 1,000% if I remember. So yes, this was a former runner. I bought it in anticipation on the morning spike. I was telling myself maybe I should have gotten in the morning spike dip buy, since I really like to trade that one too. I like it when it spikes in the morning. It dips a little bit with news, and then it spikes back up to retest the highs. If it breaks the highs, you stay in. If it doesn't break the highs, you get out. Um, but yeah, y'all see that right here? It just broke down, so I got out pretty fast. Let me make this into a bigger screen for you guys. I was also in BT. There wasn't no morning panics for me today, so that was kind of sadish, I guess you could say. I really like morning panics. They're a lot more easier for me. But yet again, this is not bad at all. So BT was a 50 was it's on believe yeah, it's running up nicely. Bitcoin had some I think it was up. It was back over 40K. Usually when Bitcoin's up 40K, over 40K, you can definitely trade these stocks, especially these Bitcoin stocks. So this is a red and green move. Uh, so you look at yesterday's pre-market highs, and it should dip all day, and then eventually it'll break and go up. I usually like to wait for that past 8:45. For me, it's 8:45. It's 9:45 Eastern, but for me, it's 8:45. So I like to break. I like for it to pass that, let it trade out a bit to see what's the flow of the market, what's the SPY doing and stuff, you know. So that red green move it dipped basically from yesterday's highs, almost like the whole pre-market, a couple hours, and then it closed, opened up right at the open, got that red to green move, not that red to green. It actually broke the highs, tested it for a bit, crashed down. I don't, I didn't want to trade it. I said if it goes back over this 1630, I will get into so it can test the 1680, and I will ultimately get out at the 17s. Just because that would be my, I was risking. Give me 1 second. Just put it right here. I was risking 20 cents on this stock. The reason why I was risking 20 cents is because I saw highs over here, these two resistance levels right here, and I saw another resistance level right here when it failed to bounce back up. See right here, it failed to continue, and right here, I'm gonna show you that close. Right here, it failed to continue. Right here, it failed to continue. Over here, it failed to bounce back up, so it dropped down. Tried it twice. So I thought that was a nice little key level to to base my risk reward on, around 20 cents. So that's a really good risk reward compared to the to what I had. So 620 was my risk. Um, got out, got in at 1635. So I was trying to get in at 1640, but it actually filled me in pretty good because it dipped a little bit more than what it was supposed to. Like I was inside this, I thought I was gonna hit the 1640s. Actually, my bad. And didn't hit the 1640s. Went down a little bit back down on this candle. I think it went back down and then went back up again, spiked, and it continued. It actually these are really good if you use your 3-to-1 risk reward. Um, I got out. I actually got out at the top, basically at 17. This was on a watch for VWAP hold high of day. That's um, didn't consolidate on VWAP, so that's a little bit more different trading. See, I wanted it to hold this level the whole day, but instead it did break it easily right here. It skyrocketed. I wanted it to be like how, let me see what's that, how BYSY was trading. I was watching this for a VWAP hold high of day break as well, but I didn't trade it, didn't get inside it, but I was right here, and now it's actually at 29.40. So you probably could have risked $1. Trying to make $33, so around 30. But yeah, all these stocks do have news. They have pre-market news, so that's the only reason why I got in.